If you just got your first home inspection done and are stressing over foundation cracks and sketchy repairs, you're definitely not alone. So here's the deal. When you're buying an older house, especially one from way back like the 1940s, expect some stuff that needs fixing, but don't ignore the big stuff like foundation issues or structural problems. First off, get a structural engineer to check out those cracks and the floor sagging, because a home inspector can only tell you so much. You want someone who really knows foundations to give you a clear report. Next, ask the seller for any repair receipts or permits related to the work done.com DM. It helps you see if things were done right or just slapped together. Don't be shy about negotiating based on the engineer's report. Sometimes sellers will lower the price or fix things properly before closing. Also, budget for unexpected repairs, because older homes always have surprises. To set aside at least 10% of the purchase price just in case. Keep your emotions in check and try to look at the numbers and facts objectively. Finally, think about the neighborhood and resale potential is. A charming house is great, but you want to make sure your investment doesn't turn into a money pit. One of the biggest mistakes people make when dealing with older home inspections is ignoring foundation problems, thinking they'll just settle on their own. Fix it by getting a professional opinion, and don't skip on proper repairs. Another common issue is trusting DIY fixes that look quick and cheap, like replacing wood without proper supports. These can cause bigger damage later. The fix is to insist on licensed contractors and proper materials to avoid headaches down the road. Lastly, many buyers rush decisions because of excitement or fear of losing the house, which leads to overlooking red flags or skipping inspections. Take your time, gather all expert advice, and make a decision based on facts. BigHomeProjects.com helps homeowners find trusted local contractors who know their stuff, so you're not stuck guessing about repairs. It also connects contractors with real jobs from people who actually need their skills, making things easier for everyone involved.